Today, I'll walk you through how to make a weekly planner, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a personalized weekly planner so you can stay organized and manage your time effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, look for the app's icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find all the Google applications available to you. Now, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google updates its interface from time to time. After clicking on the app's icon, locate and select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create and manage spreadsheets. Think of it as your digital canvas for planning. Once you're in Google Sheets, look for the Template Gallery button, typically found at the top right of the page. Click on it to explore various templates that can help you get started quickly. Templates are like pre-made blueprints. They save you time and provide a structured layout to work from. Next, scroll through the available templates until you find one labeled Schedule. Click on it to open a new sheet based on this template. This schedule template is designed specifically for planning your week, making it easier for you to fill in your tasks and appointments. Now that you have the template open, take a moment to customize it. You can add your own tasks, appointments, and any other important events for the week. Feel free to adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to suit your personal style. This is your planner after all. As you fill in your weekly planner, remember that it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Give yourself the time to think about what you want to include. Once you're satisfied with your planner, don't forget to save your work. Click on File in the top left corner and then select Save or Save As to ensure your planner is stored safely in your Google Drive. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own weekly planner using Google Sheets. This simple tool can help you stay organized and focused throughout the week. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.